To all my Lovin light beings, welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D. And if you'd like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. I was working in the yard today, doing a little bit of yard work. We got some raspberry bushes in the back that needed some cleaning up, so been spending most of my afternoon doing that, and took a quick little break and checked the mail, and I got a little something in the mail today from Miss Gina Stanley, and so I'm so excited to open it up. Let's go ahead and do this today. I actually watched one of her videos, and she said she went to 4 different counties in 2 different states to find one of these items. I can kind of feel and tell that there's a couple different things in here. I'm so excited, so I had to just do this video as soon as I could because I couldn't wait to open it. Oh my gosh. And there it is, this BYS eyeshadow palette. Oh, I love those neon colors. She had did a tag video where she sent about 5 different ladies these, and I've watched maybe 4 of them, and they all created their own look with this shadow palette, and a lot of them were very creative and interesting. I think most of the ones that I watched, they actually used all the colors in this little product, so that was pretty awesome. I'm actually looking really forward to trying this out. So there's the shades, super awesome. I love that purple, it's a shimmer. All the rest are mattes. Love that green also. Ooh, so pigmented. Awesome. Let's swatch the purple. Wow. And the yellow. Thank you so much, Gina. I love it. This is so awesome. Sorry I'm not in the frame. It's super nice out today. I thought it was like 70, but I checked the weather and it said it was 58 degrees. But it's been like this for the past 3 days, I'd say. We actually had some thunder and lightning a few days ago. Ooh, you've got to be kidding. Oh my gosh, I love this. BYS metal lips. And this is a silver one. Sweet. Thank you so much, Gina. Yes. Look at that. It actually has a lipstick smell to it. It doesn't have that harsh, intense flavor like the other ones I've tried. Thank you so much. It matches my shirt. I'm wearing property of Seattle. Go Seahawks. It's just the team that's closest to us, so that's how I roll. And there's one more in here. Wow. And it's in the shade 24 karat gold. I love it so much. Can never have enough of these. Thank you so much, Gina. And it does say cruelty free on the back. That's so awesome. BYS metal lips. The first one was in the shade platinum. Ooh. A little over the line there. Let's see if I can get a better view. I know my nails are super long, I have to cut them. Thank you so much, Gina, I love it. I'm always going for bright, crazy colors. It's very liquidy, like it has a lip gloss texture, which is awesome. I'm never good with these, especially using my phone as a mirror. Anyways, I know you guys get the idea. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Gina. I really love it. I love it all. I can't thank you enough. I have to send you a gift in return now that I have your address. Thank you so much. Can't wait to do a full look and use these products a little more. Thank you so much, Gina. Sending my love and light always. I really appreciate it. If you guys don't know about Gina Stanley, please check out her channel. I'll leave a link in the description box below. She does some awesome unboxings for monthly subscriptions. She does haul videos, makeup tutorials, try it Tuesdays or try it Thursdays, I believe. She just has a whole bunch of content and I really enjoy it, so please check out her channel. I'll leave the description and the link in the description box below. Thank you, Gina. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. I love reading each and every single one of them. And we'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.